So, Danny, we know that Nada's hearings were delayed because of a lack of local counsel. We just heard Katie say that we could see something similar here with De Oliveira's case.
Yeah, this is a sign that high-profile cases follow different rules than regular run-of-the-mill cases, and here's why. The arraignment is an important date, but it is really just substantively not a whole lot goes on. Yes, it kicks off the clock for speedy trial purposes. It's the formal beginning of the case, but it's pretty routine in state and federal court to just have the federal public defender or the public defender just stand in on the arraignment. Because when you think about it, an arraignment happens 2 or 3, maybe 4 days after an indictment. Nobody has the time to go out and hire private counsel by then unless they have a ton of capital laying around. So it's often the case that the defendant, the attorney who represents at the arraignment, is not the attorney who will represent the defendant at trial. So it is interesting to me that we're seeing these delays of several weeks for defendants to get counsel. You can imagine a system if a defendant was allowed to indefinitely postpone the arraignment by saying, hey, judge, I don't have a lawyer yet. Believe me, defendants do that all the time. They use the I'm hiring a lawyer, and judges are trained to kind of look through that. Well, how far along are you in this process? Have you actually talked to anyone? When are you going? Well, I'll give you 2 weeks to come back and see if you've hired someone. But if not, we got to go forward with this hearing.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.